So the time where at the near the vehicle, now I see Soriba they ace the weapon to us the motorcar window glass. Are they close to the vehicle? Mr. just take them bat the weapon as spring na the gutter because then get big gutter na the street stay. I jump go for run at the gutter.
Okay. Johnny, I believe you have given an answer. Staff Sergeant Johnny, yeah. You are already on record for an answer given. Okay, so let's make progress.
But that's why I said, let me think over. Since I recorded.
You are not
okay, now I have. Yes, I recorded the statement of the.
So you are changing your
not changing. Answer. That is why I said, let me think over.
Changing now your first answer.
I recorded his statement.
Okay, so now, when was the first time you saw the 18th accused after the incident of the 26th November 2023? When was the first time you saw him?
My Lord, the first time I saw the accused person was when I was tasked to go to the cell to identify him.
To go to the cell? Which cell you're talking about?
The CID, at CID headquarters.
That was when? Can you tell the month?
I could not recall the date, but it was during this investigation, my Lord.
So you're saying you had seen him before you obtained Exhibit AA Y1 to 4 from him?
Yes, my Lord. The first time, as I said, was when I was tasked to go and identify whether he was in cell. And after that, he later went and made his statement.
For Exhibits AA Y1 to 4, I'll be correct to say throughout obtaining the said exhibit from the 18th accused, no witness signed the said exhibit, correct? And my Lord, with your leave, may Exhibits AA Y1 to 4 be shown to the witness. No witness signed said exhibit, correct?
Yes, my Lord.
Okay.
I signed as a witness. There was no third party witness.
Okay. Now, the 18th accused is saying now, you were not the one who obtained exhibits AA Y1 to 4 from him. What have you got to say?
I don't know what he means by that, or why he wants to deny that.
Yes.
Because
so,
I obtained the statement, he signed his statement. If I was not the one, why should I sign and he sign?
At the time Exhibit AAY 1 to 4 was obtained from the 18th accused, I'll be correct to say there was present no legal representation. There was present, yes, no legal representation for him, correct?
He was asked, it was...
Was there present any legal representation for him?
No, my Lord. He was given the opportunity,
You
but...
have already answered the question.
Yeah, but he was given the opportunity. He did not request for any.
Sergeant Johnny, listen to the question. Staff Sergeant. Now, you have been an investigator for 10 years, correct? Over 10 years or 10?
Yes, my Lord.
Yes, 10 years. It means that by all stretch of imagination, you are an experienced investigator, correct?
Yes, my Lord.
Now, as an investigator, you need to conduct your investigation fairly for both sides. Is that the case? Is that so?
Yes, my Lord.
And then you have to investigate the accused persons or the suspect's own side of the story, correct?
Yes, my Lord.
Yes. On the date in question, the 7th day of December 2023, did you obtain many other statement from other accused persons other than the 18th accused?
My Lord, I could not recall because.
Cannot recall. Now, the 18th accused person deployed at the Teco barracks, correct?
Yes, my Lord.
Now, throughout your investigation, did you have or did you visit at any point in time the said Teco barracks?
My Lord, the team boss investigators were dispatched to go to.
Were you with them?
I was not among.
You are not part of them.
I was not part of them.
You cannot tell whether or not they went there. Now, throughout your interaction with the 18th accused, would I be correct to say visibly or physically he was challenged with some health condition? He suffered from some health condition during the. No, I'm not adding, my Lord. Yes, throughout your interaction with the 18th accused, I'll be correct to say that he was suffering from some health condition.
My Lord, I think that line of questioning it's not fit and proper for the witness. It's not a medical.
My Lord.
Yes.
The accused person, during his statement, said he was challenged with some illness, which I cannot say since I am not a medical person. But he was able, fit to make his statement, which he did.
What type of illness did he complain of?
He was saying about epilepsy.
Yes, so since you have said you're not a medical expert, did you have any reason to make a referral or refer the accused person for a medical examination?
He did not complain unwell. He was just explaining his condition.
Now, let me just take you to page 2 of exhibit AA 1 to 4. Is it with you? The second paragraph. 7th line of the second paragraph. Yes, can you please just read from the sentence starting with as a result of?
Yes, my Lord.
Yes. Or just start from I'm presently sick.
Okay.
Going to yes.
I'm presently sick, suffering from epilepsy. As a result of the sickness, I was boarded from the army in September 2023.
Yes, go ahead.
Whilst in McKinney, Teco Barracks, I was called upon by my bosses at Coup Community Headquarters in Freetown for the processing of my retirement document in November 2023. Having completed my documentation, I was attacked by the epilepsy fit when I was taken to the 34 Military Hospital for medical treatment. Continue?
Yes, yes.
I was admitted at the hospital for 2 weeks, and later I was discharged.
Okay. Yes, the bit of where the accused said he was called upon by his bosses to report or to come to Freetown, and having completed his documentation, he was attacked by the said medical condition and admitted to hospital for 2 weeks. Did you investigate that bit?
His admission, my lord?
Yes, yes.
That was not part of the investigation, my lord.
Okay. Yes. So throughout obtaining exhibit AAY 1 to 4, a minute, my lord. Okay. Now let me just take you to the next exhibit, which is exhibit AAZ. Yes, AAZ 1 to 5. Yes, now are you with exhibit AAZ 1 to 5?
1 to 5, yes, my lord.
Yes. Now, did you interview witnesses on behalf of the 18th accused person?
My lord, I don't understand why it.
Did you interview any witness on behalf of the 18th accused? Okay. Now, during the course of obtaining exhibits AAZ, during the course of obtaining exhibit AAZ, the accused person told you that he was in present in Freetown 26th of November 2023, correct?
Yes. That's what he said.
Yes. Now, and further, he told you that ever since he was posted at the Teco barracks, he only would leave the said Teco barracks to Freetown on instructions of higher authorities, correct?
Yes, that was what he said.
Now take a look at the said exhibits AAZ in front of you. I'll be correct to say again that exhibit was not signed by any witness.
Yes, my lord.
That's so.
Yes, my lord.
Now, during the course of obtaining exhibits AAZ from the 18th accused, take a look at page 4 of the said exhibit. Now at page 4, okay, let me just first take you to page 3, the last question on page 3. Yes. Look at page 3, the last question. Can you just read the question and the answer on that page? The last question, I mean.
Page 3. In question. I am putting it to you that you were among those attackers that attacked Wilberforce Military Armory Store, Cochrane Military Headquarters, Moitan Military Barracks, and killed military officers in the process of the attack. What do you have to say about that? Answer. It is not true. I have never engaged into any attack. I was in my barracks in Teko, and there are people that can attest to that. Since I left Freetown sometime mid-November to McKinney, I have never gone anywhere.
Yes, so they told you that there are people who can attest to that fact. That was not in Freetown, right?
Yes, my daughter.
Now, during the course of obtaining this said exhibit and putting this question to the 18th accused, did you confront him with any exhibits to show that he was part of the assailants who had attacked various military establishments and killed military personnel?
My Lord, during the course of recording his statement, there was no evidence available to challenge him with, but as the investigation proceeded, there was the accused person was found in a group photo with other coup plotters that went to...
I am confining you to the day, the 26th of November. Listen to the question. The 26th of November, when the assailants came to and attacked various establishments, were there any exhibits in relation to the date in question that was confronted with the 18th accused to suggest that, in fact, they came and attacked on that 26th and eventually killed military personnel?
My Lord, as I said, during the recording of his statement, these evidences were not available. We only got them after he has made his statement.
Okay, so he was not confronted at that time?
No, my Lord.
Now, my Lord, with respect to the 18th, my Lord, that will be all for this witness. My Lord, apologies. My colleague was going to take over the other file, but since he's not around, I will do so, my Lord. In respect of the 26th accused, Mr. Dauda. I'm just bringing it to your attention, my Lord, because I just have to find the file. Kindly, my Lord. Yes. In respect of the 18th, done, my Lord. My Lord, I'm not done yet. I'm sorting out the file, my Lord, please. Yes, now. Yes, now. You took statements from the 26th accused person, correct?
Yes, my Lord. I did a record of interview with the 26 accused persons.
Yes. By record of interview, you mean exhibit ABB 1 to 6, correct? Yes. My Lord, with your leave, may exhibit ABB 1 to 6 be shown to the
Yes, my Lord, correct.
You obtained that exhibit. Now, you will agree with me that as a recorder, you're supposed to sign at the end of every statement recorded by you, correct?
My Lord, I was not the recorder, I was the interviewer. Rasco Papangwa was the recorder.
As an interviewer,
yes, my Lord.
Supposed to sign at the end of the said interview, correct?
Yes, my Lord.
By signing that exhibit or record of interview, in fact, will determine its authenticity, correct? That in fact you interviewed that person.
No, my Lord. That alone does not mean the statement is not valid. Since the accused person signed, a witness has signed, it can be rendered valid, my Lord.
Yes, and you will agree with me, there is a whole provision in the said exhibit for you to sign.
Yes, my Lord.
Now you're saying that alone will not determine the authenticity, but you'll agree with me that it is very key, very important.
Yes, my Lord, I'm not disputing that fact.
Yes. Now, take a look at the said exhibit. Throughout from page 2 to 5 or so. ABB 1 to 6 is the exhibit. And I'm now referring him to pages 2, 3, 4, and 5, my Lord. Correct to say they were not signed?
Yes, my Lord.
Yes. Now, the 26th accused, I'll be correct to say, was on duty on the 26th of November 2023, correct?
Yes, my Lord.
And he was on duty at his area of deployment, right?
Yes, my Lord.
Now, being a military man and an investigator for about 10 years or so, I'll be correct to say you know a gunpowder, correct?
Repeat again, my Lord. You know.
Being a military man,
yes, my Lord,
an experienced investigator, I'll be correct to say you know what gunpowder means.
Yes, my Lord.
You know gunpowder. Now, is it part of a live round?
Yes, my Lord. It is. That is the component that makes
the live
rounds.
Now, at the time exhibits AAB 1 to 6 was obtained from the 26 accused, I'll be correct to say he had no legal representation, correct?
Yes, my lord. He was given the opportunity, but he never requested for any. Page 5.
Yes.
Second question.
Yes. Can you please read the question and the answer given to that question?
Question. We are putting it to you that the phone you claim to have found on the ground was the phone owned by one of the assailants that attacked JLU, and you took it to destroy evidence. What have you got to say? Answer. I have no idea about that.
I have no idea about that. Now, at the time you put this question to the 26th accused, did you confront him with any evidence that the phone he had picked from the ground was the property of one of the assailants?
No, my lord.
Now, can you all by yourself determine the intention of a person you are investigating? Can you determine the intention of a person under investigation in respect of a particular offense?
My lord, that is the work of the court. I don't determine.
It is the work of the court. Yes, my lord. You take it as an answer. Sir? Yes, my lord.
As an answer, but I would not take it as something to record.
My lord, I asked that question because during the course of investigation, there was a specific question put to the 26th accused relating to his intention. It is in the exhibit.
Yeah, you see, usually, for the majority of the time, it is not the question that is the problem, but it's the framing of the question.
Yes, my lord.
So probably if you phrase it again.
But the witness does not have a problem with the framing of the question.
Sorry?
He doesn't have a problem with that. He has answered.
All right. Repeat your question.
All right. Now, as you please, my lord. As you please. As you please, my lord. Now, in fact, I will take you to this question. Go to page 5. Look at the first question on page 5. Yes. Can you please read the question out and the answer?
Yes, my lord.
Yes.
Page 5.
Yes.
First question.
Yes.
We are putting it to you that you had the intention to conceal the phone you found at POL. That was why you removed its SIM card and placed your own SIM card on it and started using it as your own personal property. What have you got to say? Answer. I did that because I wanted to communicate with my family.
Yes, so now I'll be correct to say the question of determining the intention of the 26th accused in relation to the question asked is one for the court and not you, correct?
But the question you asked was if I...
Yes, I'm asking you now, so just listen and answer the question.
Yes, my lord.
The bit of determining the intention of the 26th accused in relation to whatever you were investigating him is one for the court and not you, correct?
Yes, my lord.
Now, during the course of your investigation, did the 26th accused person bring to your attention any sickness that he's suffering from?
Not to my knowledge, I could not recall, my lord.
The 26th accused.
I can recognize the 26th accused person, my lord.
Now, is it true that during the course of obtaining statement from the 26th accused, he told you he was suffering from spiritual attacks? Is that so?
I could not recall, my lord.
Were you part of the team of investigators who went to search the 26th accused person's house?
No, my lord.
Now, with respect to his investigation, you only obtained exhibits ABB 1 to 6 from the 26th accused person.
You mean this one?
Yes, yes.
Yes, my lord.
Now, during the course of your investigation, did you have any cause to contact relatives or wife of the 26th accused?
No, my lord.
My lord, that will be all in respect of the 26th. My lord, that is all.
Cross-examination. Any question from the President, board members? You don't. Yes?
May I ask for the list of the...
Yes. Release.
Lord, we have 2 more witnesses.
Yes, let's go.
And please call out RSLAF 1817 799 Sergeant Usman Kabasisi.
That's PW21, yes?
PW21.
Muslim or Christian?
Muslim.
Take the Quran. Repeat after me. I call your name and full name rank.
Usman Sabah Sise,
Swear by Almighty Allah
I swear by the Almighty Allah
that the evidence which I shall give
where I can give
before this court martial
shall
be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth. So help me Allah. Sworn on the Quran, my Lord.
Yes, my Lord. For this witness, we need the assistance of an interpreter.
Christian or Muslim?
Christian.
The Bible. Repeat after me. I,
Lieutenant P.I. Sherry,
Swear by Almighty God.
Swear by Almighty God.
That I will.
That I will.
To the best of my ability.
To the best of my ability.
Truly interpret.
Truly interpret.
And translate.
And translate.
As I shall be required.
As I shall be required.
To do.
To do.
During this matter.
During this matter.
Before this court martial.
Before this court martial.
So help me God.
So help me God.
Sworn on the Bible, my Lord.
And may it please you, my Lord, a learned friend, Captain J. Gaba, will lead this witness.
Don't forget, interpreter. You interpret what he says to him and leave him to speak. Don't interpret what he says. We'll understand what he says, yeah?
Okay.
Good morning, my Lord. Good morning, Mr. President and honorable members. Mr. Witness.
Yes, sir. Yes, my Lord.
Could you please tell this court your name?
You can tell this court waiting are your name.
My name is Usman Sabas C.
Where do you live?
Usai Tap.
A tap na Navy compound Morintong.
What is your profession?
In a military personnel.
What's your rank?
Waiting are your rank?
Sergeant Cisse.
Where are you currently attached?
Usai you there presently?
I did a Ministry of Defense, attached there as driver.
Do you know the 21st accused?
You sabi the 21st accused?
Yes, my Lord.
How do you know him?
How you sabi him?
Sabiam, we don't work for long. Asabia, we may not work together.
So when you said you have worked together,
we mean they with Baforce Barracks.
For how long have you known the 21st accused?
How long you don't sabi him for?
I mean, don't know, in the past 20 years now.
When last did you see the 21st accused?
When last you see him?
I see 2019, that I mean I'm in commander na Lungate at Greengate.
If you are to see the 21st accused person, will you be able to identify him?
Yes, my Lord.
My Lord, with your leave, can the 21st accused person please stand for identification?
Yes, my Lord. Nine, sir.
Is that the 21st accused person?
Exactly, sir.
My Lord, the 21st accused has been recognized. Do you recall the 26th day of November 2023?
Yes, my Lord.
Where were you on that day?
Who saw you be there that day?
I'm in the Benguma barracks. I go see me wife and me picking them.
November. While you were at Benguma to see your wife, did anything happen?
Where you be there, Benguma, where you go see your wife? Anything be happen?
Yes, my lord. I'm in Lidom around 8 o'clock. So me woman wake me some minutes to 1 something I can remember.
Okay. The 26th day of November 2023. So you said you went to Benguma. When did you go to Benguma?
You say you gonna Benguma. When you gonna Benguma?
I go there Saturday.
That's the day before the 26th, correct?
That's not the day before the 26th, right?
Yes, my lord.
So you are just explaining to this court that while you were at Benguma, you went to bed. Please take us to...
You be there explain the way where you be there at Benguma, where you be there sleep. Continue now.
My woman wake me around 1 something. Now I say, you see people and they run, they go na walkie pitch.
Hold on. So you were woken up by your wife saying that she saw some soldiers running to Bengima, correct?
So now you wake you and say soldier that they run go na hockey pitch, correct?
Yeah, then they go na parade field. You see then they go. And not to say
parade field.
Parade field na barracks day. Who's with the falling, normally falling.
So which barracks are you talking about here?
Whose barracks you talk about?
Now Bengima barracks.
Yes, please continue.
So enough to say now I then they blow fire alarm.
Yes.
So myself get for dress faster. I go na the barrack. I go for try for go na hockey pitch. Now the parade field. Who say me company falling. Now in the say all man give a name and a number and full particulars.
Continue.
So we reach now the field. I don't give me particulars. We don't go. They don't fall in we. I then say there for issue we weapon or two magazine. When they don't issue any weapon there, I then take fresh nominal role because we mean just go there. Now we the work, then say let them get nominal role of we know the work inside Benguma, then take another fresh nominal role. Now the commandant's address we say it's only under attack, but we get for with 11 battalion soldiers them for reinforcement. Around 8 o'clock, now they will see 11 battalion personnel arrive. So then 10 o'clock now, by then North Away who left Benguma to head to Freetown. When we reach now Jue Junction, now we get an order say then for wait for 5 brigade soldiers them for law get enough manpower for enter Freetown. They say Lord block the force. Lord wait for reinforcement.
So, do you know where 5 Brigade is?
Above brigade, sir. My lord. So we did the forget information when an intelligence say the attackers then they try for left free town now they head then they head towards we own area. So straight away, I go meet the commanding officer who me get. When a general, I meet and tell and say, yes sir, I get an intelligence say the man then they head to us this way area, but then they bypass by Kosotong.
So the commander you are talking about, is that the commander you came with from Bengima?
So the commander where you they talk, but now the commander who na come out with na Bengima.
Yes, my lord. So now the commander get for tell me say when now he say some man don't hold the bridge. Would that go down at the senior man we go able head man then to that Kosotong. Now I say yes sir. I say now man we get mine go able volunteer. I say me go volunteer get personnel left or go na that area.
So, at Jue, while waiting for those personnel at from Bo for reinforcement, are you talking about the day or the night?
It brought daylight.
Can you tell us the time, please?
11 o'clock morning, I can remember, in the Jue.
So what happened next when you suggested to the commander that you would volunteer?
The commander gave me go ahead and 2 OSD personnel then serve me volunteer for law we go now the place day. Reach now the junction, the Kosotong junction. I get for tell the 2 OSD personnel. I say now, when I mount a checkpoint here, now we get at the table lane. Mark the table, a lot park then at the streets. Now we lay ambush now. So we don't park the table there. We agree a motoka sound they come up by Jure, they come by Kosotong. So where at on now I see 1 per million personnel I see and they run they go by Jure. Now that straight road and they run they go. So the other one, a me no know how in disappear self. By then, me dey close to the kiosk. Now I see the motorcar don't drive now. I can't wait to see the table and park. Now I check. Down about 15 meters. So as I estimate the motorcar front me now, Uda I see na the 21 accused when Mr. Ibrahim Tolu Bangura na I see na the front is on the drive. But normally we can call ourselves Okoto or Langba. So where I see I normally expect say na enemy troops. So I get the confidence for go close to the vehicle. So the time where I near the vehicle, now I see Soriba they SD weapon to us the motorcar in window glass. Are they close to the vehicle? Mr. just take them back the weapon and spring na the gutter because then get big gutter na the streets the. I jump go for run at the gutter.
Okay. Do you know this Soriba you are talking about?
Sabi this Soriba what you talk about?
Okay. Do you know this Soriba you are talking about?
I may know him before because I am a soldier like me who may all may know work together. From that moment where he ace this weapon, they aim shot at me where I go down straight away, and I pick up now, say this na enemy troop. So crossfiring take place there. So me say me don't take cover with the exchange firing, and then go where and then board their way a park na the streets. Then board and then me give the motorcar obstacle for cross them board and they. So from that time, they now where the motorcar move from them both there. Now I get the motorcar bang at the wall. A distance of me now the motorcar bang. I reach away bang at the wall. At that moment, myself now just fire now. Me the fire because I me one me know the I'm not me the go. I know me go close to the vehicle. So I mean just the fire now. That give the cause where the number 21 accused able escape because of the distance where I'm in there now. Where the motorcar go bang, I not able go close to the vehicle. At a clear point where I don't take cover now, I don't watch, I observe, I don't see anything move again, that prompts me for go close the vehicle. As I go close the vehicle, I watch side of the side, now I see the next man get a shot, now he gets 2 wounds now in foot, in 2 legs them.
Do you know the name of the commander you called?
You sabi the name of the commander we call?
Yes, my lord.
Please tell us, Scott.
Now, General Bokari.
After you had called the commander, did anything happen next?
Where you don't call the commander, anything be happen next?
Yes, my lord. He get for tell me say, well now they protect the area. I go send personnel and they for go reinforce you. few time now I see the vehicle then come, personnel then come, then therefore ask me, I show them which side the next wounded lay down. So they may come out and watch the motor car, then see the weapons the way they did. So then therefore backload on another vehicle.
The vehicle where the 21st accused and Suriba were, could you tell this court how many of them were in that vehicle?
The vehicle side the 21st accused and Suriba be there. You were able to tell this court almost people and be there inside there.
Well, the vehicle are go able wait because that in 3 days they not able to identify because within that time I'm not able to get the time.
So what happened after the personnel who came to help you arrived?
When they come, they get for take the wounded and the arms and ammunition, and they say, well, we for come for Freetown. Now I get for say, well, please this vehicle here, because the vehicle mean they beyond movement. Because I can go bang and even the front tire burst.
Could you identify that vehicle to this court?
Say again, my lord.
You go able to identify the vehicle to the court?
Yes, my lord. Now, let's Colonel Samai in command vehicle.
So after you had left Jue and came to Freetown, did anything else happen?
Yes, we come Freetown. From then on, I then come prepare posting. Then get for send me off Freetown, but then blocking points.
So, you were on deployment?
Yes, my lord.
Did anything else happen?
I didn't have the deployments. I can remember I returned January. January I come, then withdraw me. And I go Kokri. That time they don't hold the personnel there now when they accuse them. So now I get for meet the arguments they go on and they say then the Tiger they don't go Olam. They don't go Olam. Now I say who's Tiger? And they say now I say Tiger no get for deny. I say because now me and into meet up Jue. So from that point, me say go make me statements. I'm military police.
That will be all for this witness.
Cross-examination.
For this witness on behalf of the 16th and the 22nd accused person.
My lord, no question for this witness on behalf of the 3rd, 7th, 8th, 10th, 13th, 14th, 20th, 24th, 26th, and 27th accused persons.
Lord, C.I. Williams for 12th and 17th. And I have no questions for this witness.
Lord, for the 4th and 5th, no question.
My Lord, for the 2nd, 6th, and 15th accused persons, no questions. And my Lord, on behalf of Adi Macaulay, for the 9th and 23rd accused persons, no questions as well. My Lord, I have questions for the 21st accused person. Yes, Mr. Witness.
Yes, my Lord.
You just told this court that you made statement to the military police in respect of this matter, correct?
Mr. Witness, you tell this court say you will make statement to the military police.
Yes, my Lord.
Concerning this matter.
Yes, my Lord.
And what you said was written down.
And what you said and be right and down.
Yes, my Lord.
Who interviewed you?
Would that be take your questions then?
Now the military police.
Do you know the specific individual or individuals
You
who obtain statements from you?
Take statements from you?
Yes, my Lord. Staff Sergeant John.
If you have the opportunity to see that statement, will you be able to identify it?
If we show you the statements where you make, you go able to identify them?
I go identify them by my military number and name.
I know the
Yes. Take a look at that document.
Look that document there.
I don't look on, my Lord.
Is that a statement?
Now you statement that?
Now my statements we I make.
And you want this statement to be part of your testimony in these proceedings?
You want this statement be part of your testimony where you don't give me this court?
Yes, my lord.
My lord, may I apply that the said statement be tendered? Yes. Is this Sergeant Cisse? Are you Sergeant Cisse?
Yes, my lord.
Sorry. Sergeant Cisse, you told this court earlier that you are attached at the Ministry of Defense as a driver, correct?
Yes, my lord.
Yes, sir. Then you tell this court earlier say na MOD you be the work as driver.
Now they are the work up to this and they are the work.
And you live at Moritown.
And you tap na Moritown.
Are they more in town because of transportation?
Can you please explain that? Because of transportation.
Not to all the time I go up because of the command way at the drive, na command vehicle at the drive. So me wife and me pikin they live Bengiuma, Samuel Town.
So, by the way, how long, so when were you enlisted at Arslav?
When then taking at Arslav?
1999.
And can you please tell this court the units that you have served?
You can able tell this court the units where you don't work now.
I don't work as instructor na Bengiuma. I don't work na Freetown Garrison, we they call 3 Brigade now. Then presently na the organic station na the Maritime Wing, when na the Navy. Bengiuma, I don't work there as physical training instructor. Then they don't send me na 3 Brigade, first we they call them Garrison. As for now, my current position na Navy organic.
So those are the only units that you have worked.
So now the only units and the way you don't work?
Yes, my lord.
Have you ever worked at 3 Brigade?
You don't ever work at 3 Brigade?
Yeah, but that's when I'm in Garrison. When they change it now to 3 Brigade. And the name then change.
Have you ever shared a common unit with the 21st accused at any given time?
You and
same unit at the same time.
You and the 21st accused all work in the same unit.
By then, I mean Freetown garrison. I mean garrison. Now we are forced.
Just have it. Yes, I was asking you if at any given time you shared a common brigade between yourself and the 21st accused at the same time.
Yes,
yes, my lord.
Where?
At Wilberforce Barracks.
Talking about unit. The unit.
We not a unit now, a brigade, but by then we not get brigade now. Me garrison we may get now. Later then change them to 3 brigade.
So are you saying you worked with him at 3 brigade?
So they say you don't work with him at 3 brigade?
Yes, my lord. By then I'm a PTI instructor. Now I'm garrison 3 brigade. Now called 3 brigade.
And can you please tell the court the period in which you worked with the period? Whether in 2000
they will not stay one side.
Lord Peter, may I further consult my witness, my client?
Listen and answer your numbers, please. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24,
25, 26, 27. All present, my Lord.
Lord, with your special leave, may I be guided. My last question, Lord. Please. Okay, my Lord, I will. Sergeant Cisse.
Yes, my Lord.
I was asking you.
Abi, they ask you.
I was asking you at which point in time have you worked with the 21st accused? The same time have you worked with the 21st accused?
Abi, they ask you the particular time where you and the 21st accused don't work together.
So we don't work from 2003, 2004, and we live now the same barracks.
Correct to say you were enlisted into ARSLAF in 1999?
Correct for us say na 1999 then take you na ARSLAF?
Yes, my Lord.
And where were you deployed upon passing out?
After where you passing out, to side and deploy you?
After we are passing out, I do further training at Bengima as an instructor. From there, they send me free to here.
Where were you deployed?
Who side and be deployed?
Now with Bafos.
Which unit?
Brigade now, Garrison, Freetown Garrison.
Am I correct to say 5 battalion and the garrison you're talking about are 2 different entities, 2 different units?
The correct for us say 5 battalion and the garrison where you talk about now be 2 different units.
Yes, they will not get 5 battalion. We not get 5 battalion now Wilberforce. We get the name at that time where they call poachers. We get poachers. We not get 5 battalion. Now later they change and the names then can change. So because that time the army no mean structure it now when they structure the army now make we can get them this way now 5 battalion then send the name I mean poachers. When poachers mean they together with brigade now the same area
but not the same unit.
But not to be the same unit.
Not to unit by then. Then I mean battalion will get the brigade when garrison.
So when was it changed to 5 battalion?
When we then change them to 5 battalion?
Well, then change I'm not able to remember again, but around then 2005 now, 204 to 205.
Who was the commander of 3 Brigade in 2003?
Who don't be the commander at 3 Brigade 2003?
Colonel Jatoka, when a late man now.
And where was 3 Brigade at the time? Where was it deployed?
Who side 3 Brigade be that particular time?
Now Wilberforce Barracks, my lord.
I'm putting it to you that 3 Brigade in 2003 was in Kenema.
And they put on to you say 3 Brigade by 2003 within Kenema.
Then change them. That's Nami garrison. Then change them later to 3 Brigade. Why they send them more in tongue? Adame Katoka into the statement say then change them. Now we call them 3 Brigade. By then I mean garrison.
Sergeant Cisse.
Yes, my lord.
Brigade in 2003 was in Kenema and the commander was Colonel Sina, retired.
3 Brigade na Kenema even day and the commander na been Colonel Sina.
Now na 3 Brigade at that time na in garrison. That may I mention one for let people able understand now. Now na 3 Brigade. Now where they can transfer now to brigade, make them send them or return, then change them to garrison, then pull on to Freetown garrison to brigade, where they structure the brigades then.
So now, your testimony before this court that you worked with the 21st accused at 3 Brigade in 2003 was untrue.
What you don't talk before this court? Say you work with the 21st accused na 3 Brigade, not to be true.
3 Brigade, I mean mention 3 Brigade for let people able understand, but I mean garrison. Because if I may put and say 3 Brigade at that time, the guy they talk so he will still mention yonder. At that time, they not change it. We then change it now, let go able understand say now 3 Brigade, now garrison turn to 3 Brigade.
Can you please tell this court when the 3 Brigade was formed or was established in Freetown?
You go tell this court when this 3 Brigade them
hold on, listen, hold on. not interfering with your line of question. I'm just interested in progress. Okay, just understand. Put your question to him, but don't forget, for example, what he's saying. Zimbabwe was Rhodesia. DR Congo was Zaire. Okay? If I'm mentioning the history or the date when DR Congo was Zaire, I need to say Zaire. I will say DR Congo. Okay? I think just so we move faster.
So, where did you say your wife resides or your family resides?
Also, you say you family Dende?
Bengima Barracks at Samel Town.
Can you please tell this court by approximation the distance between Samuel Town and Bengima Barracks?
You will please tell this court the distance between Samuel Town and Bengima Barracks?
Just 100 meters to the sideway midday to the barracks.
Sorry?
Just 100 meters to the sideway Ade and the barracks.
So where exactly do you live in Samuel Town?
So usai exactly you dey na Samuel Town?
Samuel Town, Ade by Via City. Ade by Via City, just close to the barracks. Via City, the area called Via City.
Correct to say the area you just called is even more than 300 meters from the barracks.
A correct caller say the area where you call so a day more than 300 meters to the barracks?
I don't agree to that.
By your wife around 1 hour on Sunday the 26th of November 2023.
Inside your statement you say that your wife wake you around 1 o'clock on the 26th of November 2023, right?
Yes, now my wife wake me around 1 o'clock going to 2 at that time. Now he wake me. That's what I say in my statements.
Why were you waken up by your wife?
Why your wife wake you?
He wake me because he dey footsteps soldier and they run from the area to the barracks. He dey see soldier and they run, he dey the footstep so that he observe. Now he call me say he dey see soldier and they left the bar Sameto, they run, they go na barrack. I see they wake me at that time. Now I read the fire beagle. That me self dress and rush to the barracks because the fire beagle mean now in the alert we. Any side you go, you read fire alarm. You therefore report to the nearest military barracks. Let you know waiting they go on.
Upon your arrival at Bengima Barracks, correct to say you were informed that Freetown was under attack?
When you reach na Benguma barracks, it correct for us say na 10 the inform una say Freetown be under attack.
I get announced from the commandant when they fall in we. Now I able know exactly everything they go on.
Will you be surprised to know that the attack on 5 Battalion at Wilberforce on the 26th of November 2023, sorry, was alarmed after 2 hours?
It will surprise you for no say the attack na 5 Battalion may happen after 2 hours.
The alarm was sounded after 2 hours. The alleged attack on 5 Battalion, the armory store at 5 Battalion Wilberforce, was sounded after 2 hours on Sunday of Sunday 26 November 2023. If he 2 a.m. after 2 a.m. Yes, Miller. It's hours that are stated in his statement, so probably it's conversant.
That side they may not the Freetown. The commander now the time we arrive, we get way to call Reiki. Maybe the commanders them don't know say something they go on. Why is them for leaving at that time? So me no knows that almost o'clock or waiting happen at Freetown. I know did. Now waiting happen now the commander for in we maybe we'll get a Reiki. We'll get people where they get intelligent. Maybe na intelligent you don't get way for leave to time. I don't know if na that time or not. Maybe Benguma.
Sergeant Cisse?
Yes, my lord.
You told this court earlier that you and your colleagues arrived at Kosoto Ojue, correct? From Benguma.
Yes, my lord.
You tell this court say you colleague them arrive na Jue or Kosotong.
Not only my colleague, they may get commander them wake up with me. I may get boss they wake up with me.
Even your commander is your colleague, correct?
Even your commander na your colleague.
A military colleague.
Oh yes, well, also you don't. But me know them say I'm a commander there. Now the one they are the same.
So Sergeant Cisse,
yes, my lord.
Can you tell this court the strength, the personnel strength of the team that arrived?
You were able to tell this court now almost way being reached Nigeria.
Me not to the commander. I no go no nominal role of people that we come. Me not to the commander. Now only the commander know the list of soldiers. Then just say we are on board.
So because you were present, correct? You were present at Jue.
You been there Nigeria, right?
Are they Jue?
Will you be able to tell the approximate
but it's not being sarcastic. It's just being honest. Don't forget you are.
Whereabouts did you mount this checkpoint? Main Ososco Junction, the main Ososco Junction, waiting for all practice and to take that off for Canada Junction. This road west side Ososco, this one can be. And the road that Junction is. Am I correct to say it's Mokoro Junction? Mokoro Junction. Mokoro Junction. How am I getting Mokoro Junction? This is the Mokoro Junction. How that? Have you ever seen the first active drive? You ever seen the first active drive? Apart from your claim that you saw it, have you heard that before that time? Okay. Have you ever before 26th of November 2023? Have you ever seen the 21st active drive? Yes, my Lord.
Yes, let's go.
You claimed during your testimony earlier that the vehicle stopped about 50 meters to your checkpoint.
Yes, my Lord.
And you said it's 15 meters approximately from the checkpoint.
Yes, my Lord.
$50 meters from the checkpoint. Will your sight not be distorted by that distance?
I like na 200 meters. Me yo yai at the city. I not go say now way look you look me.
So you said after the exchange of fire, you called General Bokari, correct?
When the motor don't go bang now, I call the commander. The commander get for tell me la wait. I call her, my Lord.
How did you call him?
How you call him?
How I call her? I call her by phone.
Which type of phone we are using at the time?
Which type of phone you be they use that and
They tell you the phone me they use. Now techno phone.
Correct to say it was a smartphone.
correct for last saying I've been smartphone you they use?
At me rank first, the pikin they were born and able to buy smartphone for now. And not a smartphone.
So, which model of techno phone?
Which kind techno phone you be they use?
That Techno Spark 3.
So, correct to say Techno Spark 3 is a smartphone.
Correct for last say Techno Spark 3 in a smartphone.
Well, I don't can learn today. Waiting me see right now, techno.
Do you use WhatsApp on that phone?
You they use WhatsApp on that phone there?
Yes, my lord.
So, what is the number? What was that number that you used to call General Bokari?
What's in the phone number where you use for call General Bokari?
The phone number where I use now 631552088.
Please call it slowly, please.
Call and slowly.
It's 088 631 552. And not only all self a call.
So you did not only call General Bokari?
Of course.
Who else did you call?
I try first a call direct to me headquarters when a Navy. The commander where I get there. Now in later now directly say, well, wait till you they do a call not a person will call me from there. Now I get to General Bokari. I can give you the number back where the person where I call.
Yeah, please give me the number.
Okay.
And who did you call?
I call Major Tairu when I'm your ops officer.
Major
Tairu.
The number, please, for Major Tairu.
The number for Major Tairu.
But I'm not getting phone now. I'm not getting phone now.
Will you be able to recall the time of the day that you made those calls?
You will remember the exact time when you make them call them there?
Well, I'm not able to watch time at that moment, but we arrived Juwe now around 11 o'clock we arrived there. But being that to the battle time now, I'm not able to know, no lie.
So, when did you tell the authorities, or when did you bring this to the knowledge of the authorities that you saw the 21st accused in that vehicle?
when you tell you boss and say you see the 21st accused inside that vehicle.
Now after I come on a deployment work that now in January 8th. I can remember, if I not forget, now January 8th, where I come on my ops area where I come. Because I'm not in the town.
Now, from your testimony, knowing fully that the 21st accused is an enemy soldier, why does it take so long for you to inform the authorities?
Now, from what you say, you know, say the 21st accused now be an enemy. Why you take that long?
Come make you tell the authority. Once you start maybe appear to me, I'm not be take as enemy. Now later I can take as and later I can do announcing an enemy to me. That's why they don't pull out, don't go, then deploy me. I know me. I mean just concentrate now outside at the work. Because I know me longer take as enemy. I take as my own colleague.
So correct to say, between the period that you allege that there was a crossfire, you realized the 21st accused was an enemy soldier, correct?
Correct for last say, now between the period where una be the fire on herself, you know say the 21st accused na enemy, correct?
Now that day they are no. Because at the moment he call me, I go. Now the call way he call me make I get the mind for go close to the vehicle. Because I mean take cover away the vehicle car, but he don't see me now, he call me.
So will you be surprised to know that after the alleged incident, the 21st accused continue to work?
You go surprised or no say after that incident the way you don't talk but so the 21st accused been the work?
At that time I know me no say me the work. They call me the free toy. I don't know say me don't go deploy now the work. I don't know.
Sergeant Cisse, I am putting it to you that the fact that you allege to have seen the 21st accused as an enemy soldier on the 26th of November and you failed to inform the authorities until January, you've just fabricated everything that you've said against him here.
Sergeant Cisse, I put on to you say, for the fact say on the 26th of November, you see the 21st accused as an enemy, and you take that long for you tell the authority then say 21st accused na enemy. I put on to you say, na lie, you the lie, na make up the story.
The one that we extend, where they extend fire reinforce na free to away run away.
Listen, Mr. Witness, is it fabricated or not fabricated?
Mr. Witness, now make up this story or not to make up this story?
Now the facts and me grave way at him up so now the fact I see. Where if I die, say God they go judge me. Now I say so. And the accused back no say which are they talk with me grave, not true are they talk.
Listen, Mr. Witness, It's either yes or no. Don't volunteer, please. You seem to volunteer a lot, and you don't talk on his behalf, please. Did you take any photographs of the vehicle at the time?
It not go possible that time. I not get that even that time there, that time for snap that vehicle when that problem they may don't come, that attack day. I not get the time.
But you have the time to call.
But you be get the time for call.
The vehicle not they run away. If I me drive the vehicle, can't go to police barracks. Na me tow am because the vehicle me don't.
No.
Na me where the side rope. Na me see we can't go to police barracks or go park and day. So the vehicle not we not they run away. If not they run away, I go snap him.
I did not ask him about who towed the vehicle. I asked him if he took photographs of the. It's either yes or no.
No, Lord, make him fast no more. Lord, just they brush the road for you.
Listen.
My Lord, you
listen.
You are breathing this, my Lord.
Silence, order, please.
So, Mr. Kamara. Mr. Kamara.
Yes, my Lord.
When you ask a question to the witness, I understand your point of whether he's volunteering or not, but when you ask a question to the witness, you should allow him to answer.
Yeah, I allowed him, but my Lord, for him to volunteer at what I did not ask, it's just out of the way, my Lord.
And
my Lord, he is a soldier. I am a very senior member of the bar. I'm 16 years at the bar, my Lord. I deserve better from him, my Lord. I seek your protection, my Lord.
I don't understand that.
The sarcasm of...
No, I don't understand what you mean.
His answers, my Lord.
I don't understand you. Please go over that.
His answers are sarcastic, my Lord. I've said that.
No, I don't understand the portion where you say you are a senior member of the bar.
No, my Lord, he is respecting his seniors. He was fighting here for his seniors, that is even colleagues to them. They are his boss. I am saying, if he would have been at the bar, he could have afforded the same respect to me, my Lord.
All right, hold on. You see, let me put it this way, and I hope it will go for all of you. Let me start by asking you this question, Mr. Kamara. How do you know that if he was at the bar, you would have been senior to him? Yeah, hold on. Please, I'm not addressing you. Now listen, I'm taking this very seriously. This is very, very serious. Okay? Hold on, please, don't interject, Mr. Kamara. It's very serious, so I will explain to you why it is serious. Okay?
Yes.
Each person have their profession. Okay? And they only know the norms or whatever of their profession. So when you talk about respect, it's mutual.
Yes.
So please, Mr. Kamara, when you interject,
I'm responding.
No, you don't respond. Just hold on. I'll be fine if you don't say anything. Okay? So even go to the extent to say, oh, I am 16 years or blah, 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 I deserve blah, 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 implies some disrespect for him because you are only meeting him for the first time. Okay? Now, hold on, in as much as you are the senior member of the bar, you are not in the position
on that part of your
you are not in a position to know his level of seniority in his own profession.
Lord, I know his level of seniority.
Well, if you think you know, I will say that as far as what I have seen, he has done nothing wrong to you. And I will say that you have no business telling him to respect you or whatever. All he has the business to do is to answer your questions. As far as I am concerned, your being 15 or whatever years is completely irrelevant to him.
My Lord, the question is it wrong for me to seek your protection?
I do not see where he did anything for you to seek a protection for. Okay? It is irrelevant to him how many years you are in the bar. Let's go.
So I was asking you did you take photographs of the scene
They ask you if you take photograph of this place, Usa you be there attending.
I don't get that time for snap that vehicle.
So how long does it take between your call and the arrival of General Bokari and his men?
How long it take from when you call them, General Bokari and Iman them for let them come? How long it take?
The time, me even 30 minutes because Juve to consult on a short distance. Now I see that they drive the car.
Were you the only person on the scene before their arrival?
Of course, my lord.
No civilian at all?
No civilian, no be there around.
The civilian, they all be inside the house then. So, now who are they in the streets? Now me one me in the streets.
So, can you please describe how the vehicle was parked and what actually happened to the alleged vehicle?
You can please describe how the vehicle been parked and what actually happened to the vehicle.
The vehicle where it move, it go bang at the right hand side, even the tire mean spoil. Also, it go bang the tire boss.
So, am I correct to say the vehicle was seriously damaged?
So, I'm correct for that say the vehicle be seriously damaged?
It's seriously damaged, it damaged. It well bing bing.
And the wall in which the said vehicle crashed was also damaged.
And the wall where the vehicle go bang, they also spoil?
They all broke.
Can you please tell the spot, the part of the road where the vehicle crashed?
You go tell this court the parts of the road where the vehicle crashed?
Where they enter Kosoto, now you right hand side. We don't left the junction now because the can move from the junction now to Kosoto. Now that right hand side in a day go it. If you they go.
Is the vehicle a right-handed drive vehicle or a left-handed drive vehicle?
The motor car na right hand or na left hand drive?
Na left hand drive.
Will you be surprised to know that that particular incident was videoed by a video of that incident of the vehicle was taken by civilians at Kosotong, and on that video, they were calling on the authorities to recover the said vehicle because there were arms and ammunition and they fear for their safety.
You were surprised. Follow you know say that particular vehicle where you they talk about so video of they when a civilian them video they call on the authority then follow them can't take them because they're afraid for their safety.
The civilian them and then at the house them when this thing may happen are they a distance and not go close to the vehicle. You understand? Civilian then they will video anyway. But before me present now where people in camp. And even the civilian they say I don't mean trust them. That give the cause where fire where they all avoid the vehicle first before the men then come.
So you earlier told this court that civilians were inside and you were the only person on the scene. And now you are telling this court you have to fire for civilians to vacate the scene. Which statement of the two is true?
The civilian them after the operation, now the civilian they rush for camp. But the moment where the thing happen, no civilian, no day, where the firing they take place. Now just because of where the thing don't happen now, where the accused person don't run, the one person left, now then they try for come out, by there take cover. At that time now, myself don't afraid, make I begin fire in the area. So then self now, whether the video that they make call now. So
did you see any of those videos?
You will see any of them video then?
No, me don't get time for watch for that video.
You said you called General Bokari and he answered, correct?
You say you called General Bokari and he answered you?
I call me commander first because we get one thing we call chain of command. When I call,
I'm asking you for General Bokari. I'm not asking you about a chain of command. You said in your statement that you spoke to General Bokari.
They ask you for General Bokari, I know they ask you for your chain of command. You talk now, your statement say you call General Bokari.
I call Tyro. Tyro give me the mandate now. Say, well, wait.
You call General Bokari.
You call General Bokari?
Of course.
So, if you are given the time, will you be able to produce the number that you called? If you are given time by this court, will you be able to produce that number?
Well, at that time, I'm not going to even remember it because the man way a number self I not save them on my phone. So
yes, sir. The reason being is that when they ask the question, he hurry up to answer. You have to wait for me to interpret.
Okay, my lord. Okay.
Come again.
If this court gives you time, will you be able to produce the number, that particular number that you called, in which you spoke to General Bokari on the 26th day of November 2023?
I'm not going to produce that number. The only thing I tell you in number.
Listen to
Okay.
If the court give you time, you go able for produce that number where you use for call General Bokari.
No.
Then give you time.
Now only tell you a number I go able produce.
So, correct to say the number of General Bokari was saved on your phone at the time you make the call?
A correct scholar say the number of General Bokari be saved now your phone, the tell you call him.
Now we I call the headquarter now. From then I get for tell me say, well, wait, somebody say the commander where I call say, wait, let General Bokari deal with Unadi. So as from that time I talk to Tairu, now there I will get General Bokari in own respond.
So how, which number did you call?
So whose number you call?
Your headquarter.
Where I call my headquarter?
Yes, please.
Now CUG line.
Yeah. And what number did you call?
Which number you call?
Who did you call?
Now official number.
Who did you call?
Who do you call?
Tairu.
You called Taiwo?
Of course, my lord.
If you are given time, will you be able to provide the number of Taiwo?
Yes, my lord.
You tell me you go able to produce Taiwo a number?
Yes, my lord.
My Lord, with your leave, I ask that the witness be given time to make available the number of Taiwo for our defense, my Lord, and for further cross-examination.
All right, I'm going to give this witness 10 minutes. We're going to take a 10-minute stand down for you to produce that number. Rise the court for 10 minutes.
Grateful, my Lord.
Go and get the number. Yeah.